Did you know that a significant portion of the population is chronically dehydrated? It's true. Many of us simply aren't getting enough fluids, and our bodies are feeling the effects. But fear not, my dears. Just as we savor delicious meals, we can find joy and vitality in the simple act of hydration. It's time to ditch the notion that hydration is boring. Let's explore how to transform ordinary water into delightful elixirs that will have you reaching for your glass with enthusiasm. Water is the lifeblood of our bodies. It keeps our cells happy, our minds sharp, and our energy levels soaring. When we're dehydrated, we might experience fatigue, headaches, or difficulty concentrating. Proper hydration, my dears, is like tending to a beautiful garden. It allows our inner blooms to flourish, and just like a garden thrives on variety, we can explore a world of flavors to make staying hydrated a delicious adventure. Let's be honest, sometimes plain water can feel a little, well, plain. It's not always the most exciting choice, especially when there are so many other tempting options out there. We often find ourselves craving something with a bit more flavor or excitement. Life gets busy, and we reach for sugary drinks or forget to drink altogether. It's easy to grab a soda or a coffee when we're in a rush or need a quick pick-me-up. But these choices can lead to a cycle of dehydration and fatigue. But those sugary drinks, they only dehydrate us further, creating a vicious cycle. The more we drink them, the thirstier we become, and the more we crave them. It's a never-ending loop that leaves us feeling drained and unsatisfied. The good news is that breaking free from this cycle is easier than you might think. By making small changes like adding natural flavors to our water, we can make hydration enjoyable and exciting. By infusing our water with fruits, herbs, and natural flavors, we can transform it into a symphony of tastes that will have us sipping with delight all day long. Imagine the refreshing taste of lemon, mint, or berries in every sip. It's a simple yet effective way to stay hydrated and enjoy every moment of it. Let's unlock the potential of our kitchens and create some hydration magic. It's time to transform ordinary water into extraordinary beverages that not only quench your thirst, but also delight your taste buds. First up, infused water. This is as simple as it gets, darlings. Infused water is a fantastic way to stay hydrated while enjoying a burst of natural flavors. Slice up your favorite fruits, think cucumbers, lemons, oranges, or berries, and add them to a pitcher of water. The possibilities are endless, and you can mix and match to find your perfect combination. Allow the flavors to melt in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and voila! You have a refreshing, flavorful drink that's perfect for any time of day. Next, smoothies. Ah, smoothies, the ultimate hydration heroes. They are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Blend together fruits, vegetables, and a splash of your favorite milk or yogurt. The creamy texture and rich flavors make it a delightful treat. You can even sneak in a handful of spinach or kale for an extra nutritional boost. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, making your smoothie even healthier. And don't forget herbal teas. They are a wonderful way to stay hydrated, especially during cooler months. Don't underestimate the power of a soothing cup of herbal tea. It's perfect for relaxation and can be enjoyed any time of day. Peppermint, chamomile, and ginger teas are all wonderfully hydrating and offer a range of health benefits. From aiding digestion to calming the mind, these teas are a fantastic addition to your hydration routine. So go ahead and explore these tasty hydration heroes. Summer calls for something special, wouldn't you agree? When the sun is blazing and the temperatures are soaring, nothing beats a cool, refreshing drink to keep you feeling your best. Let's create a watermelon mint refresher that's as delicious as it is hydrating. This drink is perfect for any summer occasion, whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a backyard barbecue. For this recipe, you'll need 4 cups of cubed watermelon, which is about half of a medium-sized watermelon. Make sure the watermelon is ripe and juicy for the best flavor. You'll also need half a cup of fresh mint leaves. The mint adds a refreshing twist to the drink. Additionally, prepare 2 cups of cold water and some ice cubes to keep the drink chilled. Here are the instructions. Combine the cubed watermelon, fresh mint leaves, and cold water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and all the ingredients are well combined. Next, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds. This step ensures that your drink is smooth and easy to sip. Then pour the strained liquid into glasses filled with ice. The ice will keep your drink cool and refreshing, perfect for those hot summer days. This recipe is not only incredibly refreshing, but also packed with electrolytes, thanks to the watermelon. It's a great way to stay hydrated and energized, making it perfect for staying hydrated during warmer months. So next time you're looking for a way to beat the heat, try this watermelon mint refresher. It's a simple, delicious, and healthy way to enjoy the summer. So there you have it, my dears. Hydration doesn't have to be a chore. Embrace the joy of flavorful drinks, and you'll find yourself effortlessly sipping your way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, small changes can make a world of difference. What are your favorite ways to stay hydrated? I'd love to hear your tips and tricks. And don't forget to check out my other posts for more delicious recipes and wellness inspiration.